Okay guys, I finally got my OnePlus 13, even though it got delayed by the post office for a couple of days. So this is just going to be a very quick first look. Though yes, the unboxing is here, but I just wanted to really let you guys know that I had it. And yes, I'm aware that this is Samsung Day, so I just wanted to get this out of the way. So just to give you some of the features and specs, it's a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a 6.82 display, a 6,000 milliamp battery with 100 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging, 24 gigabytes of RAM and 1024 gigabytes of storage, a crystal sealed super ceramic glass flat display with just slightly curved edges, mostly flat, IP69 certification, which means you can even stick it in a dishwasher, and yes, there are videos out there showing that that works. And an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which should be way faster than the OnePlus 12. So just wanted to give you a few of the features.
Let's do this!
So let's get it opened up. Oh, and before I go too far, I just wanted to show you that with my pre-order, I got free the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. You guys know I love my OnePlus Buds, so this should be even better. But we'll save the unboxing of those for a couple of days down the road. So here, of course, we have our usual paperwork and our SIM tool. Now, you don't get a charger in the box, which we've been spoiled up to now, but I've got plenty of OnePlus fast chargers, so I'm good. And next we'll pull out the phone itself. Now, I got the black Eclipse, though you guys I'm sure have seen nothing but the Midnight Ocean for the most part. And there is the Arctic Dawn also. But the black Eclipse has a nice feel to it. It's not going to be slippery, and that's all I really care about. Plus, I will be putting a case on, as I always do. So let's get it turned on, and I will get everything set up, and I'll be back to you guys when I'm totally booted up. So now we're totally booted up. Of course, things are still copying, and once everything is copied, I'll be switching this over to the launcher anyway, which is my favorite. So there's a good look at the back with that camera array, which I like. Some people don't. And I just wanted to bring in the OnePlus 12 just to give you a side-by-side. This one is thinner and lighter, even though it has that 6,000 milliamp battery. And I just wanted you guys to see the comparison from all sides. They're very much the same, though the edges only being slightly curved makes this one easier to hold, in my opinion. So that's my quick first look at the OnePlus 13, guys. Of course, there'll be lots of coverage to come, and the first camera comparison will be with the OnePlus 12. So $899.99 on the OnePlus website, making it just a little bit cheaper than the other flagships, which is good. I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.